Hello everyone, in this video I will give the name of top 150 ABBN constable of Garo category. As it will take a lot of time for me, so I will release only for 150 and the rest I will release in the next video. So 102 is Letus Momin. He scored a total of 267, and Balme Marak 267, Krian Sangma 266, Gamseng R Sangma 266, Balko E Sangma 266, Salgara E Sangma 266, Leking Marak 266, Pitus Sangma 266, Jejrang Momin 266, Brazil E Sangma 266, Chamber Ne CH Momin 266, Chalang E Sangma 266, Jungle Bird CH Marak 265, Sunmid M Momin 265, Sengbat Sangma 265, Simeon CH Marak 265, Sandilbot M Sangma 265, Junu D Sangma 265, Delman D Shira 265, Saberton M Sangma 264, Letison M Marak 264, Changrak di Sangma 264, Piling R Marak 264, Janulish CH Sangma 264, Walsim CH Marak 264, Rasnitha J Sangma 264, Salib CH Sangma 264, Bansan G Momin 264, Wetnebot R Sangma 264, Rai Langshan Swangre 264, Maximile Dishira 264, Therina S Sangma 263, Dechang Armarak 263, Sengkim Sangma 262, Rakjen M Marak 262, Washbot R. Marak 262, Nosila R Marak 262, Manjang Marak 262, Asis Marak 262, Benjamin Sangma 262, Andrew M Sangma 262, Matsram CH Momin 262, Tengba R Marak 262, Desilash Momin 262, Tengsan R Sangma 262, Rakrik N Sangma 262, Rik Sang R Marak 261, Tengman R Marak 261, Jimrib Sangma 261 till 150, and the female candidate is 18. Nosila Marak is 18, and the next list I will release in the next video. Thank you.